What is the sagittal plane in human anatomy? Imagine slicing a loaf of bread right down the middle so you have to equal halves. That's similar to what the sagittal plane does to the human body. It's an imaginary vertical line that divides us into right and left parts. This plane runs from the top of the head all the way down to the feet, passing through the middle of the body. It's perpendicular to the transverse plane, which cuts the body into upper and lower parts, and also perpendicular to the coronal or frontal plane, which splits us into front and back sections. There are two main types of sagittal planes. The first is the mid-sagittal plane, also called the median plane. It cuts exactly through the middle of the body, creating two equal halves. It passes through key structures like the navel and the spine. The second type is the parasagittal plane. These are any sagittal slices that are parallel to the mid-sagittal plane but are offset from the center. They divide the body into unequal right and left parts. This plane is especially important because it helps us understand movements that go forward and backward. Think about bending your elbow or knee. That's flexion, which happens along the sagittal plane. When you straighten those joints, that's extension. Moving your ankle so your toes point toward your shin is called dorsiflexion. When your toes point downward, that's plantar flexion. These movements are part of everyday activities like walking, running, or even lifting objects. Knowing about the sagittal plane helps in analyzing how your body moves. It's useful in physical therapy, sports training, and even in designing exercises. When trainers or therapists look at how you move forward and backward, they're considering movements along this plane. It also helps in understanding how muscles and joints work together during different activities. In short, the sagittal plane is a key reference line in anatomy. It divides the body into right and left halves and explains many of the basic movements we do daily. Whether you're walking, running, or just reaching forward, you're moving along this important plane. Understanding it makes it easier to see how your body functions and moves in space.